Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the tap or shake reveal in Instagram story. So this is a new feature on Instagram called frame sticker. And if you want to add it to your story, here's how you can do it. You can just open your Instagram and click on plus on your story here. Select a photo first as the background. Okay, I'm going to find the photo here. Let's find a photo as the background. For example, I'm going to use this photo as the background. And now you can add the stickers by clicking on the stickers options, sticker menu at the top, and tap on frames. So now choose a photo that you want to add into the frame. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add this photo right here, and you can add captions if you want to, or you can also skip this part. And after that, click on done. Here you can adjust the size and position of the frame, and you can upload it to your story. I'm going to just click on close friend, so because this is just for an example. Here I'm going to show you how it will look like to your followers. Okay, it's still posting. Okay, now the story is done and it will look like this, so they need to tap or shake to reveal this photo on the frame. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.